Hello there.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to style your hair like Suga from BTS. So without further ado, let's get into it. First, when your hair is towel dry, use hair oil. This is done to protect your hair from the heat and styling, and it makes styling easier. Spread 2 or 3 drops to your palm and apply it to your hair. After that, use hair dryer to dry your hair quickly. Make sure it's totally dry. You don't want wet hair when styling. Before the next step, apply 1 more drop of hair oil. Your hair will be treated with high heat, so why not putting extra protection to your hair? As for the next step, use hair straightener to create wavy look to your hair. Set it to 180 to 200 degrees. Do an up and down motion to create a wavy look to your hair. It's going to take a while, so I think I'll speed up this process a little bit. And try not to forget the back part. After done with the left side, now let's get to the other side. Basically, you can use any type of hair straightener, but this time, I specifically use the one for the wavy looks. Don't forget to add more small curves to the tip of your hair. After done with that, the next step is hair wax. Keep in mind not to use too much of it, or your hair will be very sticky and uncomfortable. The wax I use this time is Gatsby Moving Rubber Wild Shake. Gently shake your hair to create that wavy looks you want. Let's speed up a bit. Some of you might be asking, can I use any other type of wax? Well, yes, but actually no. Different wax gives different result. Here, you can use a comb to tidy up your bangs. Pinch the top of your hair to add more volumes. After getting the looks you want, the next step is locking it with hairspray. I think it can be better. So let's not done that's how you style your hair like Suga from BTS. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribe and liking this video. Please check my other video and don't forget to subscribe. Follow my Instagram, link is in the description below. See you!